हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। कैसे हो सब लोग?
Good evening, sir.
या यस, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड।
Good evening, Saurabh.
Good
या
evening.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग। सुधीर यादव जस्ट जॉइन। हे सुधीर, आई कैन सी जय वसन। हे उदित, हाय शिखर, हे नवजीत, विक्रमा, जयदीप, अंकित, शिवांग,
Yes, sir.
प्रतीक, संदीप, शिवम सैनी, भावेश नेटी, पुष्कर अवस्थी। गुड गुड, नाइस। हे संदीप, हे तरुण, Tarun Rathod, Shivam Saini, nice to see you.
Hi, Saurabh.
Hey Udit, I can see a lot of posts you are making on the LinkedIn. That's good. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Hey Pushkar, looking good, huh? Hey Pratik, how are you doing? Looking very smart, huh? You are on mute. All right, sure. So how was it? I mean, a couple of students. How was your experience while filling the form? Anyone can share your insights? Or what were while filling the form? What things that you realized it, what you understand by the analytics? Probably, see, what I'm assuming is that you people already have gone through the understanding of the analytics, right? What is the machine learning, what is the data science domain that is currently buzzing in the world, and most of the students have already joined in some programs like IME or some industrial engineering program or some MBA program somewhere, right? So you people have already gone through that. These things are very important skills, one of the important skills to at least to get an edge in the current market, in current domain, right? So, anyone can go ahead and share your insights. What do you understand by analytics? Yeah, feel free to interact. Then only you will be able to learn. Huh? Bhavesh, I can see you. I will directly call names. Huh? Yeah,
Yes,
yeah. What do you
actually,
understand? Yeah.
see, I am doing a online course on machine learning. So what I feel till now is I have developed a Python model
Okay.
using to predict the uh, amount of the land using it area.
Okay.
So, uh, so I think so. We are using the previous data
Mhm.
that is available with us
Mhm.
to predict what will be the future, or predict or to take decisions in future, or predict the amount of a particular land in future. So
Okay.
I think so it deal with
Okay.
it is what.
Okay. That is called predictive analytics. Anyone else? Any other type of analytics? अच्छा ये बताओ, इज भावेश डूइंग समथिंग न्यू? आर यू डूइंग समथिंग न्यू? मतलब क्या हम लोग
I,
भी अपने लाइफ में कभी ऐसा कुछ एनालिटिक्स किया है क्या? एनीवन हैव एनी एग्जांपल? Probably I have talked to couple of here people. I remember Sandeep, I remember Sudhir. I'm not sure other people. If you can give the example that I shared, हाँ? Simple example. मेरे दादा परदादा जो चीजें करते थे. What is analytics? What is the basics of analytics? What is the analytics? Yeah, Sandeep, go ahead.
Analysis is something like whatever data we have to analyze the data and we have to answer the question.
Okay.
Like, like if I have a shop, then I have to answer at what time the customer is more interacting at the shop.
Okay.
So I have to collect the data in such a way that I can answer these questions in very simple way,
Okay.
so that each and every person can understand this question.
Okay.
And analytics is something that we represent these answers in very graphical or in diagrammatical forms.
Okay. So let me
And
ask a very specific question to you. What is the end goal of NA analytics?
answering the question,
Okay, which type of questions?
that's a more important. That is more important. Like analysis is something that we should be very sure about what type of question we are asking.
Okay,
And data analytics is a profile where we want to develop a various type of questions and then we can answer.
okay, sounds good. Anyone else? Navjeet, did you do some analysis before joining IME IIT Kanpur? You joined IME IIT Kanpur, right, Navjeet? Are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so did you do some analytics? Applied some data, you collect some data and then you thought about it. You had some problem statement. No, that where I wanted to join, गेट स्कोर आ गया, लेकिन अब आगे क्या करें? So you had that problem कि एमटेक किधर ज्वाइन करें, right? So definitely you
Right.
go out in the market and understand कि किधर किधर से data collect किया. So you did something, right? Share your story and in perspective of analytics that you did.
Sir, first and foremost, I attended the session 2 or 3 months back that you guys had of
Okay.
the So I knew that industrial is a very booming field, and data analytics and data science is the thing of the future.
Okay.
So, with respect to the GATE score, I was wishing to get into data science specialization.
Okay.
So once I got it, so I contacted some of the seniors, you among them. So after contacting you and then seeing the guys' LinkedIn profile and their jobs, so I decided that yeah, like data analytics should be taken.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this was what I thought.
Okay, okay. During the whole process, what you exactly did, let me reiterate in a good way so that everyone can understand. See, हमारे पास क्या है कि बीटेक करने के बाद से हमारे पास गेट का एग्जाम दिया, गेट के स्कोर आ गया, right? Now what I wanted to do is that to select a good college out of that particular gate score और CAT score और MBA के लिए प्रोग्राम के लिए, right? So what you did that, आपके पास कुछ particular data set है, आपके पास एक problem statement हो गया कि given these things, I wanted to get a decent college out in the market, right? What you did, उसके बाद आप गए डेटा कलेक्ट किए, डेटा कलेक्शन में आपने क्या किया, मल्टीपल सीनियर से आपने बात की, करेक्ट? You talk to multiple seniors, you go ahead and visited college's website, you go ahead search किया, LinkedIn पे check किया, Quora पे check किया कि what all things are going अलग अलग colleges में, you went ahead and talked about कि मतलब comparisons किया, right? So you prepare a Excel sheet or probably you thought in your own mind कि हाँ मतलब क्या क्या चीज़ें किधर pros हैं किधर cons हैं. Everyone is doing analytics, that's simple. And then you laid out some plan out of it, and then you understood कि भैया इन सारी insight, इन सारे data, इन सारे informations के basis पे, I'm not talking about someone else's opinion कि भैया आपका opinion क्या है कि IIM IIT कानपुर जर के या फिर IU और IIT बॉम्बे जॉइन के. I'm not talking about the opinions, I'm telling about you that you have taken an informed decision. You went ahead, you search for the data, you collected those data, you make yourself aware that these things are available in your based on your score or category or whatever, and then you went ahead and decided something out of it, right? You made that decision. So you had that problem statement to find the best college out of it. You went ahead in the market, you collected the data, and then you, based on those data, you did some analysis in your own head, or maybe some Excel sheet, some expert are there जिन्होंने regression or classification or prediction model भी लगा दिया होगा, I'm not sure about it, but again you did something in your brain, right? And based on those, you decided to go, solve that problem. You predicted something कि हाँ मतलब this would be my outcome, this would be thing. So that is basic of the analytics. That is the basis of analytics. ये कोई भारी भरकम चीजें नहीं है, machine learning and artificial intelligence or deep neural networks and RNN and CNN whatever, ज़्यादा बड़ी भारी चीज नहीं है. Understand is everyone is doing analysis. आज के 100 हजारों साल पहले भी एनालिसिस, षड्यंत्र रचा जाता है ना, दैट इज ऑल्सो एनालिटिक्स. स्ट्रैटेजीज बनाई जाती है ना अलग अलग, दैट इज ऑल्सो एनालिटिक्स. वी आर डूइंग सम एनालिसिस, बशर्ते नाउ द डोमेन हैज शिफ्टेड. अब हम लोग इंडस्ट्रियल इंफॉर्मेशन डोमेन में आ जा रहे हैं. मेनी लॉट ऑफ प्रोसेसर्स आर अवेलेबल, राइट? तो वेरियस एल्गोरिदम्स आ गई हैं जिस प्रॉब्लम्स को हम बड़े बड़े डेटा सेट्स आ रहे हैं उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए नए नए टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स आ रही हैं, और इसीलिए नए नए कीवर्ड्स आ गए कि भैया मशीन लर्निंग आ गया, देन डीप लर्निंग आ गया. और सिंपल से एग्जांपल देता हूं, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हियर आर फ्रॉम मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड, इवन इफ यू आर सम अदर इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड एज वेल. अब जाते हो लैब के अंदर, बीटेक में आपने कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए होंगे, राइट? यू हैव कलेक्टेड सम ऑफ द डेटास को एक्सपेरिमेंट करके उसके कुछ प्रेडिक्शंस होंगे, एंड देन फर्दर यू डिड सम एनालिसिस एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट एक्सपेरिमेंट के रिजल्ट्स किया. एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. स्ट्रेस एनालिसिस हम लोग करते हैं मैकेनिकल में, राइट? स्ट्रेस टेस्टिंग करते हैं. व्हाट वी कलेक्टेड डाटा कि इलॉन्गेशन कितना हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस कितना हम दे रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस वर्सेस स्ट्रेन का हम कर्व प्लॉट करते हैं. इनफैक्ट कर्व प्लॉट करने से पहले क्या होती है, मल्टीपल डेटा सेट्स, लेट्स से दिस इज एक्स एंड वाई एक्सिस, राइट? सो मल्टीपल डेटा सेट उसके अंदर इकट्ठे होते हैं, उसके अंदर बेस्ट फिट लाइन कर्व फिट करते हैं. यू रिमेंबर दोस थिंग? एक्सपेरिमेंट हम करते थे कि भैया बेस्ट फिट लाइन बनाओ, स्प्लाइन कभी फिट करना है, कभी लीनियर लाइन फिट करनी है, कभी पावर और 2 डिग्री की फिट करनी है. इनफैक्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द एमटेक स्टूडेंट या फिर पीएचडी आप रिसर्च करते हो वो हम डेटा पे ही खेलते हैं, जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंटल डेटा मिलते हैं, और उसी के बेसिस पर. दैट इज इटसेल्फ इज द बेसिक्स ऑफ एनालिटिक्स, करेक्ट? मैं संदीप को एग्जांपल भी दिया था, जो एग्जांपल बता रहा था, जैसे कि मेरी खुद की दुकान है, राइट? मेरे खुद की अपनी स्नैक्स शॉप है, राइट? मेरे दादाजी आज के साल पहले, 30-40 साल पहले जब उन्होंने दुकान शुरुआत की थी, तो उन्होंने क्या किया था, शुरू में तो उनको समझ में नहीं आता था कौन कौन से आइटम्स रखने हैं. मुंबई का कोई होगा समझेगा, वड़ा पाव, समोसा, भजिया एंड और, ठीक है, पकौड़े वगैरह, उनको पता नहीं था. वो सुबह दोपहर शाम छान के रखते थे. बट आफ्टर 15-20 दिन के बाद उन्होंने एनालाइज किया, ये समझा, डेटा कलेक्शन किया बेसिकली इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट, जिसमें हम अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। उसमें उन्होंने ये समझा कि यस, कस्टमर सुबह 8 बजे से 9 बजे के बीच में जो ऑफिस जाने वाले वो लोग आते हैं और फटाक से पार्सल लेके जाते हैं। उस समय अपने को ज्यादा माल निकाल के रखना है, मोर आइटम्स अपने को निकाल, दैट टू गरम गरम, ठीक है, सो दैट कि वो एंजॉय कर पाए। आफ्टरनून के अंदर फिर से ब्रेक होती है ऑफिस की, मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स या फिर स्कूल वाले लड़कों की छुट्टी होती है, तो उस समय भी जो फेमस आइटम्स है जैसे समोसा हो गया, ये सब चीजें मुझे को रेडी करके रखना है। सिमिलरली इन द इवनिंग आवर्स, राइट, जब थोड़ा सा रश अगेन होता है, बाकी टाइम में हम थोड़ा थोड़ा आइटम निकाल के अपने शॉप को बना सकते हैं। तो ये डिसीजन उन्होंने क्या किया, उनका प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट क्या था, ही वांटेड टू ग्रो हिज बिजनेस रेवेन्यू, he wanted to attract the customers, build a strong customer relationships। उसको उन्होंने सॉल्व कैसे किया, डेटा कलेक्शन किया 15-20 दिन, उसके अंदर पैटर्न फाइंड आउट किया। इनफैक्ट उसके अंदर कुछ एक्सेप्शंस भी हो गए सैटरडे संडेज को, बिकॉज छुट्टी होती है एंड ऑल। उन्होंने वो पैटर्न को आइडेंटिफाई किया, कुछ थॉट प्रोसेसेस लगाई, एंड बेस्ड ऑन इट टुक सम बिजनेस डिसीजंस कि यस, मॉर्निंग में, आफ्टरनून में और इवनिंग में मुझको इन आइटम्स को इस तरीके से मुझे फिट करना है। आफ्टर 1 महीने के बाद ही इंप्लीमेंटेड दोज स्ट्रैटेजीज एंड ही सॉल्व हिज बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम, और अपने रेवेन्यू को जनरेट कर लिया, एक सस्टेनेबल बिजनेस डेवलप कर लिया इतने सालों साल, 10, 15, 20 साल के अंदर। दैट इज एनालिटिक्स, दैट इज द फंडामेंटल ऑफ एनालिटिक्स, वेरी लेमन टर्म। ओके, अभी क्या हो रहा है कि नाउ द थिंग्स है कि मतलब इतने छोटे डेटा सेट्स नहीं रह गए, 100,000 के लाइंस में नहीं रह गए, डेटा सेट्स आर कमिंग इन 1000, मिलियन, ट्रिलियंस, सेकंड्स में इतने सारे वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे अपलोड है, सेकंड पर सेकंड इतने सारा टेराबाइट पेटाबाइट के पोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम पे, फेसबुक पे जनरेट हो रहे हैं, लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट जनरेट हो रहे हैं, राइट। सोशल मीडिया इज जस्ट booming out of this. You must have heard about 3 V's. If you not, note it down. Just read about 3 V's of the data. What are the 3 V's? Try to understand what are the velocity, how कितनी velocity से आ रही है, कितनी variety और कितनी veracity है उसके अंदर, का volume कितना जाता है। That is the importance of the data. और इतने डेटा को अपना brain नहीं एनालाइज कर पा रहा। इनफैक्ट छोटे मोटे टूल्स जो हम लोग यूज भी करते थे जैसे एक्सेल, उस पर भी हम एनालाइज नहीं कर सकते। एंड देयर कम्स द स्पेशलाइज्ड टूल्स एंड स्पेशलाइज्ड एल्गोरिथम्स। यदि हमारे पास कुछ पर्टिकुलर डेटा सेट्स होते हैं 100-200 हजार, तो वी विल बी एबल टू एनालाइज इन एक्सेल शीट। थाउजेंड्स के डेटा सेट्स आ रहे हैं तो उसको भी एनालाइज कर रहे हैं, बट इट इज टेकिंग सम टाइम। हाउ मच टाइम इट इज टेकिंग भैया, कभी कभी 4-5-6 घंटे लग जाते हैं, कभी कभी कई दिन लग जाता है। यदि मल्टीपल ऑर्डर के पॉलिनोमियल्स उसमें भी हायर डिग्री होती है, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दैट, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दैट, उसके अंदर सालों साल लग जाते हैं किसी प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्व को ऑप्टिमाइज करने में। कई सारे ऐसे बजिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं जो कि एस्ट्रोनॉमी में है, फिजिक्स के अंदर है, जिसका अभी तक सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं है, बिकॉज उसको सॉल्व करने में मिलियन ईयर्स लग जाएंगे बेस्ड ऑन हमारा कंप्यूटर का प्रोसेसर है। तो मल्टीपल थिंग्स हैपेंड इन द पास्ट रिसेंट ईयर्स, राइट, इन द पास्ट डेकेड ऑल्सो। क्या क्या चीजें भाई, डेटा सेट्स बढ़ा कब से, इंपॉर्टेंटली तब से जब से सोशल मीडिया आया 2011-12 के बाद से, जब से जीमेल वगैरह लॉन्च हुआ एंड ऑल। उसके पहले भी था बट उतनी ज्यादा नहीं थी। ये पिछले 5-6-7 सालों से बहुत ज्यादा था। यूएस में बूम था डेटा एनालिटिक्स, मशीन लर्निंग, डेटा साइंस का बैक इन 2012, 2013, 2011 में जीमेल लॉन्च हुआ था, गूगल का सारे प्रोडक्ट्स, 2 साल के बाद बहुत सारा बूम था। इंडिया में भी पिछले 3 साल से बूम आया, राइट। व्हाई? बिकॉज डेटा, अपने पास डेटा इतना ज्यादा है, एंड डेटा इज नॉट होल्ड इन ओनली आईटी इंडस्ट्री। भैया हर जगह डेटा है। मैंने उस सेशन में बोला भी था कि हर जगह डेटा है, और जहां डेटा है वहां हम है, राइट। यदि आपके पास एनालिटिक्स, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री हो, बाहर की व्हीकल को फाइन ट्यून करना है, उसमें भी मशीन लर्निंग, डीप लर्निंग, केमिस्ट्री का कोई फैक्ट्री है वहाँ पे, प्राइवेट सेक्टर, पब्लिक सेक्टर्स, आईटी सेक्टर, बैंकिंग सेक्टर्स, फाइनेंसिंग सेक्टर, और किसी भी सेक्टर, एवरीवेयर इज डेटा, वेयर एवर इज द डेटा, वहाँ पे हम है। फेसबुक, प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी, कंज्यूमर बेस्ड कंपनीज, एनीवेयर, लॉजिस्टिक कंपनी, सप्लाई चेन, वट एवर यू टॉक अबाउट इट, बिग डेटा, IT कंपनी एंड ऑल, एवरीवेयर इज डेटा, एंड वेयर एवर डेटा, वहाँ पे हम लोग हैं, वहाँ पे एनालिटिक्स का यूज है। सब इनसाइट्स हम कर रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम, बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम से, उन बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम को कुछ इनसाइट्स देके, कुछ एल्गोरिथम्स लगा के हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। दैट इज द फंडामेंटल। गॉट इट? नेक्स्ट थिंग कि अभी हमारे पास मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ डेटा सेट्स आ रहे हैं, उसको हैंडल करने लिए डेफिनेटली एल्गोरिथम्स है। सेकेंडली, इन द रिसेंट ईयर्स कई सारे और भी एडवांस्ड टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स भी आ चुकी हैं। अलॉन्ग विद दैट मल्टीपल स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोसेसेस भी आ गए, लेकिन उन प्रोसेसर्स के लिए कुछ एल्गोरिथम के साथ फाइन ट्यून करनी पड़ेगी, करेक्ट। तो उसके अंदर क्या है, ओके, someone else is joining, right, so उसके अंदर अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा, what you need to do is that कि there are some specific algorithms that you need to apply there। वो सारे के सारे एल्गोरिथम्स अपने को क्या करना है कि थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टैंड करना है। सो बेसिकली अब हम क्या समझेंगे, टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स समझेंगे, राइट, एंड देन उसके बाद से हम ये भी समझेंगे टूल्स एंड टेक्निक्स के बाद थोड़ा सा डोमेन नॉलेज भी क्या होता है, जिस डोमेन नॉलेज अपने को जाना है। तो व्हाट आई वांट यू टू राइट इज डाउन कि अभी जैसे बेसिक अपने को अंडरस्टैंडिंग समझ में आया कि एनालिटिक्स बेसिक डेफिनेशन, ठीक है, एक तो हो गया किताबी वाली डेफिनेशन, दूसरी होगी फंडामेंटल डेफिनेशन दैट एवरीवन इज डूइंग सम एनालिटिक्स इन देयर ओन लाइफ, राइट। सेकंड थिंग कमिंग टू द पॉइंट, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एनालिटिक्स, वो आप जाके गूगल पे सर्च करके लिख सकते हो। तो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एनालिटिक्स यू मे नोट इट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक, just go ahead, talk about it. Descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, and then there's prescriptive analytics and diagnostic analytics, multiple types of, mostly in during this 1 or 2 months of sessions we'll be discussing more on the predictive and descriptive. Okay, now coming back to the what the understanding would be. So I would what is the basic framework, okay, and how we'll proceed further, I'll talk more about it. So as I discussed now ki what is the basic fundamental of it is that कि देर आर टू थिंग्स, राइट। अक्सर हम बात करते हैं कि जैसे तुम लोग ये फॉर्म जब फिल किया हो तब पूछते हैं कि सप्लाई चेन एनालिटिक्स में जाएं, बिग डेटा में जाएं, या फिर आईटी में जाएं, या फिर किसके अंदर जाएं, हम समझ में नहीं आ रहा, फाइनेंस के अंदर जाएं, हेल्थ केयर में भी तो है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में भी है, क्या है। अभी 1.5 साल तक, नेक्स्ट 1.5 साल तक आपको ज्यादा डोमेन नॉलेज पे फोकस नहीं करना, ठीक है।
Sorry to interrupt. I can't understand Hindi.
Okay,
actually, so
yeah,
it's
please.
hard.
Thank you, Vikrama,
Okay.
for sharing that. Let me go back to English form again. So the thing is that even in the next 1 to 2 years, right, what you have to focus more on that, build the foundation of the tools and the techniques, and then comes to the domain knowledge. So the thing happened is that once you'll go back to your college, respective college, and once you'll see the companies which are visiting to your college, right, so you'll go there and you will walk through their job descriptions, right, jate within 1 month or so, collect all the job descriptions, what company exactly are looking for, note it down. You have to collect the job descriptions of the company which are visiting, targeted companies, right. You'll see that they are looking for the tools and the techniques that you are strong with, right. And the secondly, they are not much focusing on the domain edge. For example, Flipkart is coming, they are not talking about the customer or the market research. If you have done it, that would definitely give an advantage. But think about it, extracurricular activities is only important once your curriculum is good, then only extra is added, no, then it adds the value. Similarly here, your tools and techniques must be fundamentally, foundationally strong, and then you have to build on, go ahead and talk about more on the domain knowledge. So most focus on the tools and the techniques in the upcoming 1.5 or 2 years or so, and then parallelly, once your little bit of your foundation is strong, then you go ahead and talk about ki bhaiya what other domain knowledge I am comfortable with. For example, for my own perspective, I had this priority of going into domain of finance based domain and then healthcare section. So I chose my domain learning, and this you can do in the matter of 15 days or 1 month or so. So there could be other multiple domains. For example, customer interaction or the manufacturing industries domain knowledge, e-commerce, product-based companies, for example, Google, Amazon, or Flipkart or companies, finance-based companies, BFSI, right? So these companies you can build a domain knowledge. Now there are two frameworks. The whole framework divides into 2 parts: tools and the techniques, which is 80 to 90% of the game, and then 20 to 10% of the game is your domain knowledge. Okay. In the first bifurcation, what you have to note it down again is that tools and the techniques, what are the tools and what are the techniques. Tools are which are very much current in the domain is the Python, SQL, your Excel, basically Excel and then VBA and then advanced Excel, and then Power BI. So these 4 tools you have to thorough with these things. This is the foundation I'm talking about. Excel will include advanced Excel and then VBA as well, and then 4th is Power BI/Tableau, any presentation platform. Okay, all right. So this is the fundamental. Any company is only looking, if you go back and see the job description row, what they will see is that we are, see, IIT Kanpur mein company will come and they'll see ki okay, you guys are technically sound, we'll be having more if you are comfortable with Python, SQL or advanced Excel also, if you have a good coding knowledge also, and we are not looking for much of the financial domain or financial knowledge also. We'll train you during the trainings. Okay, so don't get confused कि supply chain analytics लेनी है या फिर finance लेना है या फिर manufacturing लेना है या फिर some other domain you have to take. Be free about it. जो होगा देखेंगे. In fact, many a times people take supply chain analytics but they go to finance domain because they got placement in the finance-based companies. Right, getting it? So just be very comfortable. You understand कि whatever things will come, definitely I'll be able to shape it accordingly once I'm thorough with this fundamentals, tools and techniques. You will take just 15 to 1 month of time. You can just Google back and register on some courses on Coursera, some Udemy courses. You can get the domain knowledge, and you can switch back to some other companies based on your own choice. But again, to kickstart your journey, you have to be little bit flexible. कि नहीं भैया हमको constraint नहीं करनी. I don't have to constraint in the supply chain analytics or finance analytics or medical analytics also. Build the foundation first. Okay, so tools के अंदर 4 चीजें आ गई. Techniques के अंदर now we'll talk about the fundamental technique is the probability. You must be thorough with the probability. And probability is just, it's not a very simple thing. It's a very advanced probability will be there. Okay, and most of the students will be learning the probability. If the probability and statistics is not in your course, do go back and register in some good probability courses on YouTube or maybe some Coursera or somewhere. Do go there, because this is the fundamental. Until unless you won't understand the mathematics, the probability, if you're not comfortable with, you won't be able to exceed as a technical guy. Maybe you will become a good manager or so, but again, you have to, unless, in fact, if you become the manager itself, you will be handling your team, right, who are the technical guys. And again, then you have to understand this probability and statistics. So the first is probability, very thorough about it. Second is the statistics. Okay. Third part comes machine learning algorithms. Statistics will also include some advanced statistics. In fact, once you'll go back, no, before this term was coined, right, machine learning algorithms, the basic analytical algorithms, like for example, linear regression, logistic regression, or maybe time series analysis, these all things were coming into the statistics modeling only. आज के 2-3 साल पहले statisticians were not much popular, but once this domain was open, right, statisticians were made famous. भाई उनकी डिमांड इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. So basic statistics, advanced statistics. Okay, got it. Then machine learning algorithms. Machine learning algorithms कहाँ तक आपको जाना है? You don't have to much dig deeper into up to the deep learning and the other parts. Definitely, you have to expand yourself to that level. But given that your foundation is okay, your foundation is solid, your probability, your statistics, your advanced statistics is fundamentally strong. Then you move ahead to the natural language processing or deep CNN models or CNN models or some RNN models and so on. Okay, so first build the foundation first. Coming back to what are the important projects that you must include as a data analysis, which is a very basic job as an analyst or an analyst. There are 4 important projects that you must include in the next 1 year or so. Okay, what are these 4 projects? First is the regression based analysis. Okay, the regression ke andar there are multiple tools and techniques. Linear regression is there. You must include, at least you must be thorough about it in the next 1 year or so. In fact, if you do it before your internships, that would be additional value, because based on those 4 projects, you'll get a very decent, your profile will be strong and you'll get a very decent internship, right? In fact, the things are slow, but again, if you fast track yourself, if your mind is clear that again I wanted to go here itself, then you'll be able to do it. Okay, now coming back again, so the very first thing that you need to include is that regression models. Regression models, you go back and understand what different types of regression models are there. Okay, you go back and understand the theories and the concepts and everything. I will definitely share a couple of materials as well. Second comes as the classification models. All right, classification models. Third comes as an ensembling methods. Ensemble methods. ENSEMBLING, ensembling method. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then fourth, you can also go ahead and include time series based analysis projects, time series. And then fifth, you can include one unsupervised based learning algorithm, which is clustering. Okay, now understand this, why I am saying these things. You know, if you talk about most of the major companies, for example, consulting companies, McKinsey, any other good companies, you talk about Deloitte, McKinsey, and some similar companies, right? They, most of the finance-based companies as well, they do only these couple of things only. They do linear regression, they do logistic regression, right? They do these 2 analysis only, but their understanding is very strong. If I talk about, do you know about linear regression? Definitely you will say that yes, I did. I have done some experiments during my BTech life. I have collected some data and fitted some linear model. But once I will ask you what are the fundamentals, what are the 5 assumptions of a linear regression, you'll be like blank. What are the 5 assumptions of the linear regression? What are the multiple hypotheses of the linear regression? How to verify those hypotheses in the linear regression? What are the errors? What is the normal distribution curve? Why it is important? How to prove it? So linear regression is not a piece of cake. Most of the big companies, they use linear regression only. Okay? They use linear regression only. Coming back again, classification model, simple again, you need to understand. Then ensembling method. Ensembling method is something where you have multiple sets of algorithms, right? And then you ensemble them and guess and averaging scores out of it, right? We'll discuss more about it. Coming back to the time series analysis, most of the finance-based companies which is predicting something, right? For example, stock predictions. If you talk about for example, Flipkart, right? Talk about the Flipkart customer. What are the trends are coming in the particular seasons and how the prices are going to affect. Do I have to do I have to increase the price? Do I have to decrease the price? Those sort of things. So there comes the time series model analysis. In fact, if you are very thorough about time regression, time series analysis, based on only single project, you'll get selected. Because most of the good companies who are looking for as a data analysis, they are focusing more on a time series analysis. They want students to be very thorough about it. In fact, if you go back ahead, these are the fundamentals. Again, you can apply artificial neural networks to these models as well. There are some new algorithms are also building nowadays where you can apply this time series analysis and you can just apply it over there. So these things, clustering is very important. Clustering is important for those type of companies where a company wanted to understand what are the sentiment, what are the behavior, what are the buying pattern of a customer. For example, let's talk about, right, कि जैसे कि मतलब what happened was that Flipkart comes here, right, and then the company analyze the company let's say Sandeep ko and Ravi and Navjeet ko, you are the data analyst in the Flipkart company, right? So they will just directly throw you some data, some random data, I say directly, either say column wise data they will throw you, and then they will ask you identify what is the behavioral pattern of the customers. So what you will do some analysis, you will understand that you know that yes, there is some clustering algorithm that I can understand that because there are no particular labels. ये data किस particular label के अंदर it is coming, right? So you will do and go ahead and apply some unsupervised learning, which is one of the clustering algorithms, and then you will understand कि like for example, let's say you have a data जहाँ पे people are coming in a particular shopping complex and buying some products, right? So after doing this analysis, you will understand कि okay, maybe the people of this particular age are buying these products more, this particular age are buying these products more. So we'll do a cluster analysis. Then you will understand कि okay, these number of, for example, 20 to 40 age bracket people are visiting more frequent, right? So accordingly, you will put their products in the first line. A very good example was that I mean behavioral analysis कि मतलब what are the other things are also there. So then you will understand कि what are the buying patterns of a particular people, which type of age groups. So then you will label, okay, these are very frequent buyers, these are non-frequent buyers, and then these are people who wanted to buy these products and all. So those type of analysis, because you don't have any already labeled data, you have a lot of data. For example, Sandeep went ahead and he bought 5-6 products. But was this a major factor of the behavior of the Sandeep that you will be able to understand based on the clustering algorithm? So most of the companies which are focusing most on the market-based analysis, market segment, market research type of projects, there they used to understand the clustering algorithm. So you understand why this is important. Again, going ahead, definitely you must go ahead and also once these things are done, right, you go ahead and think about what other additional algorithms can be built on, and then you move ahead to the machine learning part. What a machine learning के अंदर, then you can move ahead कि talk about कि okay, now let's explore some CNN models. Now let's explore some deep CNN models. Now let's explore some other advanced time series deep CNN models. Let's explore some what say NLP models. Correct? Then go ahead. First build this foundation, and this is very important. So this was the major thing that I wanted to understand, ki what is the basic fundamentals of the analytics, what are these things, and what is the roadmap ahead, what you need to plan ahead. Okay, so this was the main agenda of today's talk. Hopefully we have a couple of more minutes, 15 to 20 minutes of more time. So I'll be touching upon a couple of more things that you need to take down the notes. So, okay, now how the journey is going to be in the next 1 or 2 months or so, because you have 1.5 months or so, most of the students have, most of the people have 1.5 months or so. So what we will do is that I'm not going to tell you or teach you any algorithms. I'm not going to tell you, give any definitions. I'm not going to tell you and make you understand or anything. We'll be directly jumping in, starting with a project. First project will be common project which will be done by everyone. Once the project is done, I will float a particular form during the initial days itself, and you're floating the projects. Starting will be the first. We will jumping back with the project itself. There will be first project which will be very common to a very basic of the project. I will be sharing the details, and then what we will do is that we will directly jump to the projects. See, let me tell you a story why I'm telling and how it helped me and how it is going to help you, right? So the thing is that कि let's say I have this particular इतनी मोटी book, right? यदि कोई भी book की बात करोगे हजार पेजेस की book होती है. So what my mindset is that कि मैं क्या करूँगा, सबसे पहले मैं thermodynamics का 1000 पेज का book पढ़ूंगा, हर एक line by line को चीजों को समझूंगा, and then I'll go ahead and solve the problems and do the attempt for the gate and all. But I'm smart because मैंने किसी और से चीजें सीखी हैं. What I will do is that I will backtrace the problems, right? I will just directly go ahead, solve the previous 10-20 years of the problems, identify which questions specifically are coming from the thermodynamics chapter. I'll go back to refer to the book, I will read those fractions and understand what are the nitty-gritty of those questions. I'll understand the fundamentals, and then I'll build the problem. And guess what? I cracked the GATE examination. I never prepared for GATE examination. I only prepared for engineering services. Yes, the foundation was strong. I also got 50% scholarship during the made easy preparation while preparing for the ES examination and all. But I think try to understand कि the thing that I realized हो कि अभी आपको पूरा सब कुछ explore करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to go back and again and then read only things which is mattering you the most, because time इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है अपने पास. Correct? Second importance, what you will be experiencing in your own life is that once you will go back to your once you will give your interviews, right? So what will happen is that if you just mention कि I am very good at statistics, I am very good at machine learning. For example, what most of the people do, no, they mention directly the certificates. I have done this SQL certificates, I have done this machine learning certificates, I have done this Udemy course and all. In fact, you can also go ahead and talk about I have done this particular course in my coursework. Probability, I know probability statistics, I know machine learning algorithm, and then he will ask you every question from that 1000-page of book, and you are bound to answer that. Why? Because you have mentioned in your resume. Isn't that true? So be smart. What you have to do is that you have to exactly mention what you wanted to speak. Rather than let interviewer drives the interview, you have to come on the driver's seat. उससे बोलो सीधी सीधी बात है कि भैया I don't know whatever the thing that you are asking. I have done this specific 5 projects. If you ask me these questions around it, I'll dig deeper into each and every line, every code of it. I'll explain it to you. That's it. 5 projects and you are done. You are placed. 10, 12, 15 lakh, 20 lakh salary done. 5 projects. That's it. It's as simple as this. So you talk about, okay, let's talk about the time series analysis. And then you go through it. Start with the first thing. Okay, this was the problem statement that I collected these type of data. Then I did particular analysis. Then I presented the model. Then I did exploratory data analysis. Then further applied some particular models. These are the particular models and why I selected these models. Out of these models, which models were good? What I did to understand which model was good, which model was not good. How did I finalize the whole models? And how that whole process is solving my business problem जिससे मैंने शुरुआत की थी. So the interview is something, no, if you talk in your interview more than 40-50 minutes, no, you are selected. It's only a matter of telling a story. And how will you get a story? Based on these projects itself. मेरा इंटरव्यू 2.5 घंटे तक चला. You believe that? एक इंटरव्यू 1 घंटा सवा घंटे तक चला. सेकंड इंटरव्यू भी 1 घंटे तक चला. वो सी कंपनी का CEO, he was very excited. He thought, I wanted to talk to Saurabh. He come back again and he talked for like 15-20 minutes. He asked a couple of more questions to me. And one of the recruiter, what he did was that he directly went ahead and clicked on my LinkedIn profile. He sent me connection request because he got very fascinated about my story. So be that a storyteller. ज्यादा चीजें पढ़नी नहीं है, बी दैट स्मार्ट पर्सन, ठीक है. यू चेंज योर मेंटालिटी, यू चेंज योर प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स आई हैव टू डू, आई हैव टू प्रेजेंट इट इन अ वेरी बेटर वे. इनफैक्ट टुडे सेशन में मैंने कुछ भी प्लान नहीं किया था. दीज थिंग्स वर ऑलरेडी बजिंग इन माइंड कि यस आई विल डायरेक्टली जंप इनटू, आई विल सी किसको किसको कितनी कितनी चीजें पता है एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट इट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ आई हैव अंडरस्टूड द फाउंडेशन. आईआईटी सिस्टम में यदि आप जाते हो, आईआईटी के स्टूडेंट इतने अच्छे क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज दे हैव दोज फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग. बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं, वो बिल्डिंग ढहती नहीं है. दे हैव द फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग, दे कैन बिल्ट अपॉन बिल्ट अपॉन बिल्ट अपॉन बिल्ट अपॉन इट. तो हैव दैट फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग. नाउ यू आर कम टू द आईआईटीज, अंडरस्टैंड इट कि आईआईटी में नॉट एवरीवन, देयर इज नॉट अ रैट रेस, इट्स ओनली कंपटीशन फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ इटसेल्फ. Even if it's normal college, no, try to understand, build on the foundation. यहाँ पे कोर्स करिकुलम उतना रिगरस नहीं है. यहाँ पे कोई तुमको बार बार कहेगा नहीं कि you have to do this project, do this assignment, do this, do that. No one cares. Most of the professor won't take care if you don't even attend their classes. They don't even care. Why? Because they have already gone through those systems ki yes, whatever the efforts that you are putting in, you will understand. So try to understand this, ki you have to become on the driver's seat and then you have to be smart. Work on two factions. First, the basic fundamental knowledge and then presentation skills. Storytelling part. Now, the second aspect that I wanted to cover is that I definitely started with that, but again I wanted to reiterate in the factions. So, market में चीजें कैसी होती है? What you need to understand is there is a customer or some people who is generating some data. Okay. So, what will happen is that he will generate some data. Those data will be collected by some data engineers. Okay. Those data engineers will collect the data, they will store the data, they will do some analysis, they'll push it, they'll archive it, they'll do whatever things. Once those data are collected, they will send it to someone next in the pipeline, who is data scientist or data analyst or normal analyst or consultant or something, right? He will give those data to you, or business analyst, whatever you can call the name. Those data will be collected by those analyst or a consultant or a business analyst. What he will do is that he will do some basic analysis, some exploratory data analysis, some basic of the things. He will do some algorithms and do something things to be analysis, whatever the things that you are learning. And then again, he will give some metrics, some dashboards he will prepare. Okay, he will understand some metrics, some dashboards he will prepare. Okay, these are the key metrics, these are the KPIs, these are key performing indexes, these are the insights out of these data. Those data will be presented to the senior manager, who will understand, okay, this was the problem statement from the customer, this is the insights coming out of the data, let me formulate my business solution accordingly. Then he will formulate the business accordingly. Then he will take some decisions based on the insights that you have provided, that the data analyst has provided, and then it will be presented to the vice VP or the board of the members. Once that is presented, they will finalize the particular decision. A product will be built in the back end, and then it will be launched in the market. Customer will definitely again use it. They will generate the data, and then again the data will be stored to as a feedback to the data engineer. In this whole pipeline, wherever you are, except that customer wala part where you are generating the data, you are as an analyst. वहाँ पे आप जाके job कर सकते हो. So there is nothing difference between data analytics, normal analytics, consultant, business analytics, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data engineer, senior associate, business manager, and whatever also. If you are in the pipeline, you are doing the same job. Don't go ahead and ask someone, या फिर कभी मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहे हो और if you are googling it something, hey, what is the difference between data analysis or data science? Who cares? Company don't even care. They just want to their problem to be solved, and go ahead with that perspective. Yes, I am going there to solve their problems. Profile doesn't matter, man. Whatever the thing, anyway you have to do the data munging, data collection and all. Anyway you have to do the presentations and all. Be ready with the tools and techniques. Whatever the domains you are, you are very flexible and acceptable to that. So now the kachra जो भरा है mind के अंदर, जो misinformations are there, now it is very clear, right? So stick to that. अभी और भी लोगों से बात करोगे, you will get, and then they will give you their opinions. But go ahead. I'm talking about from my own experiences, right? Go ahead and talk about it and try to understand. Get the informations right. Collect all the facts and take your decisions based on those facts and the information rather than someone's opinion or someone's poll. Be the informed person. Take the informed decisions, right? So this is the thing. So you understand the data pipeline. So let me revise it, what we covered today. We understand what is the fundamentals of the analytics. We understand that everyone is analytics, how the generations have been increased and why there is a very buzz in the recent past 5 years. Go back ahead and read more about it. Make notes, because every note that you will be making, it will be uploaded. Because what will happen is that this definitely, first of all, it will help you in the long run to understand whatever the things that we are reading. And secondly, in the later sessions, after 4, 5, 6 years, 6 months or so, when I'll be conducting one-to-one interactions or interview sessions, there I'll be asking questions from those your self-made notes itself. So in fact, you can go ahead and share those notes to your friends and ask, hey, just ask a couple of questions to me, because whatever the things that you have prepared, they will be asking questions and it will be repeated and it will be stored in your brain. As simple as this. अक्सर क्या होता है, 2 घंटे की वीडियो देख लिया, उसके अंदर हमको वी रिमेंबर इन द कपल ऑफ डेज, बट आफ्टर 1 week or so we are bound to forget. And if you have made some notes like 4-5 lines or 10 lines or so, those 10 lines you can repeat just 1 day before, 1 hour before the examination or 1 hour before the interview, and you are good to go. This is exactly what I did. The होता क्या है ना, try to improve your efficiency. Most of the people ask, no, how you are able to manage things, how are you able to so efficient. Do it once, do it good, so that you don't have to repeat it again and again. Watch the videos, make the notes, prepare the notes, and keep in a bullet point, so that again you don't have to go back and again. Just review again and again your notes, and once in a while, if you're sleeping or so, you can just watch the videos. लेकिन first make the notes. You all guys understand कि ES की preparation में और GATE की preparation में कितना notes का important है, right? You understand 16 books, 16 different books, 16 different syllabus, and then you compile all the 16 books in 100 or 200 pages of the notes. No. I mean, itna mota book. Let's say 200 into 16, so around 2000 or 2500 pages of the notes. Then again compress those notes as a short notes, call it as a 150 or 200 pages of the notes. Then again, before the examination, you toiled again and find out all those shortcomings and weaknesses on the notes and notes. You again prepare very short notes. You remember अपने thermodynamics वाले सर का कि भैया पूरे thermodynamics एक पेज के अंदर completed. How will you be able to do that? इतना ज़्यादा 2500, then 150, 200 pages, and then again 20 pages. In fact, sir challenged me. कि हे सौरभ, मतलब पूरे क्लास में, इनफैक्ट आई टुक इट इन माय हार्ट कि मतलब मेरे को कैसे सर ने बोल दिया, ठीक है. ही चैलेंज मी कि दैट इवन यू आर रिवाइजिंग this amount of pages, it will take at least 2 to 3 days to revise the whole syllabus. Even if you prepare the short notes, it will take 2 to 3 days, even many a times more than that. What happens is that whatever things that you have read one day before, no, if this is not repeated again and again, you will bound to forget 60% of the item. What I did was that I prepared the 10 hours of the content, I recorded the video and put it on a YouTube channel, my own YouTube channel, okay, as a private or unlisted. I watched it at a 2x speed. So 10 hours का पूरा content मैंने 5 hours में सुन लिया अपनी खुद की voice में. I repeated twice. So be that smart guy. Go ahead. You are engineers. Try to solve that problem. Solve that time problem. See, anywhere you are going to add value to the company, you are going to add going to solve the problems of the company. So don't think whatever I know. Yeah, you know, you are very बहुत सारी चीज़ जानते हो. You know a lot of things. But think in the terms of that, what is the job description talking about? What company exactly wants? Talk about those things. What are the mission? What are the vision of the companies? What are the current projects that are going on in the projects, in the companies? Talk about those things during the interviews as well. Okay? All right. So hopefully you must have prepared a lot of notes. Now what I will do is that we'll be connecting in the next 2 days. So I'll share what is the path of becoming a data analyst or whatever the profiles I shared, no? Analyst, consultant, data analyst, data scientist, machine learning, data engineer, business analyst, senior business analyst, or whatever you call it a name. Okay, those paths, how the transaction is going to come. I'll be sharing a particular script. In fact, one of the wonderful PDF that I have that covers all of those aspects. So it will start with the basic fundamentals, basic definitions of each and every algorithms. Then it will go ahead and tell you about how to prepare the resumes, what keywords you need to add. Then we'll tell ahead and talk about how to write a cold mails, a LinkedIn mails or a cold Gmail mails to send to some recruiter or HR. Then also help you to write what are the cover letters that you need to write. A couple of links of the projects that will also be mentioned there. So what I wanted to do that, go ahead, I'll share the PDF in the 1 or 2 days. Okay, in fact, in 1 day also, I'll give you a couple of more things during those times to read it. Probably I'll create a Google Drive and share it with you as well. So what I wanted to do, it's just a 15 or 20 pages of the book. You go ahead, understand that these are the 20 pages of the book, and then you prepare notes out of it. Okay, and now what I wanted to do, in the next connect, I want uh, to be a team of 2 people. I will share an Excel sheet as well. Team of 2 people, and I want 2 people to present the first half and the second half. So any volunteers who would like to present, or I would just randomly pick up some names. So firstly, okay, so let me, what you do is that you prepare your own names, मतलब you make your own teams, ठीक है, दो लोग की team बना लो, and then what I will do is that you have to, anyway, everyone has to make notes, but what I wanted to is that you also come ahead and engage yourself and talk more about it. So I'll be splitting the section into 2 halves. First half will be presented by the team number 1. Second half will be presented by the team number 2. What are the scripts that are shared there? And I'll share which all pages needs to be included. It's just a simple thing. You just have to copy paste and present it over there. Okay. Sounds good. It will share. It will throw some lights on it. Ki, what is the benefit of it? First, you'll be understanding. Ki, now you understand ki, where is the goal and destination. Becoming an analytics. You understand ki, you can go ahead in any domain. Now, what I need to optimize is that we need to optimize the path. So in order to optimize the path, we need to understand the path. I'm here to tell you what and how, but again, you are clear with the whys, and now I'm telling you this is the path that you need to follow. And that book exactly covers what all the things that you need to do in your own path. So becoming familiar with that, bhale mein rahu na rahu, if you are empowered with that, you will be able to do that. My battery is dead and my camera is off. Anyways, all right. So go ahead and prepare notes. Everyone has to prepare notes. You have to go ahead and create a team of 2 people. Anyway, if you are individual, if you want it to be a single player, that is also fine with me. Okay, and then I'll be sharing voluntary. If you can take, hey Saurav, I would like to present in the first session. That you can tell me by tomorrow, or maybe once I share the details of the same. कि कौन सी books में कितने chapters को पढ़ना है, and then accordingly, what I will do is that you have to present in the maybe after 2 days once you are ready with that. Okay, so we'll keep it very dynamic. Once you are ready with that, we can prepare the session. Then I will share what are the next steps that you need to follow. Sounds good, guys? Okay. Hope I added a lot of values to you. I mean, it must have been a lot of things that I shared today. So do take, you must have taken a lot of notes. Revise those notes, and I'm leaving back to you. Whatever the keywords I said, no, go ahead. Just go back and create a Word document. Why I'm asking you to create a Word document is because, you know, once you note down your copy or pen, no, there is a possibility you will lose it. If you prepare it in your laptop, Word note or book, you can just directly go ahead and save it to your Google Drive. You can access it from anywhere and everywhere. This is what exactly I do. Try to make it a habit. Even if you are noting in your notepad, just click some pictures and convert it into PDF. So that convert it into a digital form, right? So that it can be accessed later on as well. If you are the benefits of the Word document as well, that once you go ahead in the journey, you'll be also coming out a lot of other things that you need to add in the particular sections. Many times क्या होता है ना, notes बना लिया, लेकिन फिर उस formula की जगह कुछ advanced formula भी we need to mention there, that we have not left any spaces there. So Word document में try to create a Word document. So whatever the things that you have noted down, go back ahead and write it down in your Word document, and then again Google it and try to understand the definitions of each and every keyword that I shared. Understand what is SQL, what is Python, what is the basic definition of analytics, what are the 4 types of analytics, what are the types of data, why data is important, what are the 3 V's of data, okay, how the trend is going on, what is the difference, what is the analytics, what is the advanced statistics, why it is important. Okay, talk about it, think about it, what are the questions that you are facing. One important website is Analytics Vidya. So what you can do is that you just type, for example, a particular algorithm, time series analysis, Analytics Vidya, and it is very precise and very accurate. Secondly, you go ahead, type logistic regression, linear regression, Analytics Vidya, and you will get a whole detail of the every detail and every aspect of it. Okay, avoid multiple platforms. So what I would suggest is that do not read or do not go through 10 videos once, but go through only single video 10 times. So similarly, जब time series आप search करो, whenever you're searching in time series analytics Vidya, just stick to that and revise that particular web page itself 10 times. That will bring you the clarity. Okay, cool guys. So I will share the key highlights as well, and then couple of more things by the late night, end of the day, or by tomorrow early morning. And I'll share the books as well. I created a Google Drive folder where you'll be able to access it. These things will be uploaded in the group descriptions as well, and hopefully I know that you'll do good, and let's create a very good foundation career in your analytics. Okay, all right guys. Yeah, Vikrama or Bhavesh, you were saying something? Any closing remarks?
I was just saying thank you.
Thank you, Bhavesh. That feels so good, huh? Okay, all right. Okay guys, so take good care. We'll connect in the next couple of days. Okay.
Thanks, Saurav. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, Saurabh.
Thank you.